Hello all, Marieke here for Studiolight. Today I hope to inspire you with a card using the latest by Lauren stamps together with the new wax items. For my project today I used stamp 534 and 539, paper pad 32 and 51, mask 221, wax bead pearlescent wax 06, wax seal 9, Rip 104 from the Janine's Mindful Art collection and the wax seal starter kit. First off, I started on making the base of the card. Off camera, I prepared everything for my card. I cut a top fold white base card 4 1/4 inch by 11 and scored it at 5.5. I cut a big rectangle 4 1/4 inch by 5.5 inch, a white rectangle 3 3/4 and 5 inch, and a brown rectangle slightly larger than the white one. I'm starting on the Inkblending of the background using mask 221. It's a layered mask to create a fall background. I used the colors Spun Sugar, Saltwater Taffy and dried Marigold Distress Oxide inks to add the first layer of leaves. I removed the mask and adhered it to the other side on top of the first layer. Using the colors Saltwater Taffy, Worn Lipstick and Spiced Marmalade to create the second layer. I mixed up some ground espresso distress ink with water and splattered it onto the background. Now it's time to work on the wax seal. I use a silicone mat to protect my work surface. To create one seal, you will need 4 beads. I add those in the spoon and let them melt. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. I speed up the video for this process. When the wax is melted, I slowly add it into the silicone mat and place the wax seal slowly into the wax. I wait for about a minute to remove the seal from the wax and the wax seal is all done. If you don't like the way your seal ended up, you can simply melt the wax again and repeat the process until you are happy with it. I adhered all the rectangles onto each other using a double-sided tape. With the wax seal ready, I can start on creating the card. Off camera, I stamped and colored the image. I cut the image, leaving a white border around the image with my scissors. I heat set the word love on the same color of brown cardstock as I used for the background. I stamped the other sentiment using a brown ink onto white cardstock. My pro tip for this tutorial is to add some double-sided tape to the back of the panel to adhere the twine onto. This way you can wrap it around your card and it's nice and tight. After that, I adhered the panel and all the elements onto the base card using glue or foam tape. If you would like to see more of my card making videos for Studiolight, leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!